Summers in Los Angeles can get very hot, hence increasing your energy bills. These high energy bills are usually caused by low efficiency roofs without proper insulation. Landmark Construction Crew is a BPI certified cool roof contractor in Los Angeles that has been installing residential cool roofs and commercial cool roofs for over 10 years. Our cool roofing installation services use cool roofs that reflect sunlight and absorb less heat than a regular roof, hence lowering energy bills from the reduced usage of the AC and other appliances. We offer a number of cool roofing services, such as coated roofs, foam roofs, built-up roofing systems, modified bitumen, single-ply membranes, and asphalt shingles for residential buildings and commercial buildings, such as offices, apartment complexes, industrial buildings, retail outlets, schools, and health institutions. We offer affordable cool roof installation services in Los Angeles, San Fernando Valley, and Orange County. Call for a free on-site consultation and estimate today, or visit us on the web for more information. Landmark Construction Crew, your contractor for life.